Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use AI features in photo editor on the Samsung Galaxy A36. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Gallery app on your smartphone. After that, just select an image which you want to edit. Now the first AI feature we have is Edit Suggestions. Now to use this AI feature, just tap on the Galaxy AI icon over here. Now once you do that, the Galaxy AI will suggest you some edits for your selected image. For an example, for this image, it is suggesting us erase reflections, remaster this image, and object eraser. Now for example, if you select remaster this image, it will remaster this image. It will sharpen this image, increase the saturation, and basically it will make it better. For an example, as you can see, this is a before and after of this image. It has removed the noise from this image, increased the sharpness and the saturation of this image. Just like that. Now after edit suggestions, now to find the other AI features in the photo editor, just tap on the edit icon. Now just tap on the four dots over here, and from here you will find the rest of the AI features in your photo editor. Now the first option here is object eraser. Now once you choose object eraser, you can circle over any object on your image and you can basically erase the object from your image. Now once you circle over the object and once it detects the object which you want to erase, just select erase and it will erase the object from your image. Just like that. Now once you're satisfied with your edit, just tap on done. Now after that, you have the option of style. And from here, you can change the style of your image. Just like that. And finally, if you tap on the three circles over here, you will find the option of filters. And from here, you can apply filters on your image. And you also have the option to create a custom filter using the Galaxy AI. Now to do that, just tap on the plus icon over here. Now from here, just select an image which you like the colors of. For an example, if I select this image, it will create a custom filter using the selected image. Now if you tap on filter 1, you can create a name for your custom filter. Now once you create a name for your custom filter, just tap on done. Now just select done and you will create your custom filter for your photos. Just like that. Now once you're satisfied with your edit, just tap on save. And this is how you can use the AI features in photo editor on the Samsung Galaxy A36. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.